Let's talk about must-haves for tummy tuck recovery. The first thing you need to get are your pain medicines. Get them in advance and have them available, both your prescription medicines and get a bottle of Tylenol or Motrin or both, whatever your surgeon recommends. Next, make sure you have a comfortable place to recover at your house, and you want to make sure your bed is comfortable and you also have a comfortable sitting place where you can be up during the day. Now, in your bed, it's often helpful to have a wedge pillow, and these are inexpensive and you can find them on Amazon. And then have a lot of nice soft pillows that you can use to position yourself so that you're comfortable. Make sure that you have long charging cords for all of your technology to make sure that you don't have to get up and down, because you're probably going to be on your phone a lot, watching movies, watching Netflix, and you want to make sure that your phone keeps its charge. Ice packs and heating packs can be super helpful for pain, and your surgeon will probably let you use both of these things, but both of these things have potential risks. I'm not picky about ice packs. People say frozen peas, that's just gross. Just buy the nice gel packs. They're reusable and they don't get squishy and nasty. And then they have really nice heating pads, and the vibrating ones can be really helpful with pain as well because it kind of confuses the nerves. You can give yourself frostbite and you can burn your skin. So it's very important if you use these, you talk to your surgeon first and find out their recommendations for timing and whether or not you need things between your skin and the device. I recommend to all patients with tummy tucks to get a red light device like the light stim, which can help with healing. The tummy tuck incision, especially in the middle, is a classic area of slow healing. So it often has little tiny piddly scabs and things, and I just find that these light stim devices can help with not only healing, but also pain, and they're not horribly expensive. They're about $200. And you can use them forever. So you can keep your light stim after surgery. If you sprain your ankle or hurt your knee, you can use it for that. It's really a useful device. My kids even use mine. I think the light stim is awesome. I also think it's very important to fill your house with high protein, healthy snacks. So you're not going to be up and around going out to eat. Takeout can often be not the most nutritious food. So it's good to sit down and have a nice meal plan for your first week after surgery, as well as some nice high protein snacks, because you need good nutrition to heal all your incisions. The next thing I always recommend is talk to your surgeon about incision care, drain care, and garments before surgery. You want to make sure that you are prepared with anything you need to take care of your incision. You want to make sure that you are prepared with anything you need to drain your drain. And then it's always nice to have a little notebook that you keep that you can take notes in, because when you're on pain medicines, you're tired, you're recovering for surgery, often questions will pop in your head and they're not important enough to call, but you want to write them down so you don't forget. So I think it's really important to have a little ledger for your questions. It's also nice to have somewhere to put drain output. So if you have a tummy tuck that utilizes drains, every day, a couple times a day, you're going to write down how much comes out, and it's really nice to have a concise place to put that. Your surgeon might give you a special form, or you can put it in that same book and then bring it to your appointment with both your questions and that information about the drains. The next thing is ask about lymphatic massage. Lymphatic massage is amazing to help you heal post-op. And lymphatic massage specialists, the good ones, are often booked out really far, so you want to make sure that you have your appointments booked in advance and you develop a relationship with a great lymphatic massage specialist. And then finally, I always say ask about your garment, because if you're going to be in this thing for a couple weeks, it's nice to have a couple different options. Don't buy like 30 of them out of the gate, because you often will decrease in size and maybe need a smaller size, but it's never wrong to have 2 or 3 so you can rotate them while you do laundry. So that's my recommendations for must-haves after a tummy tuck, and most of that's applicable to pretty much all different types of surgery too. Let me know if you have any additional questions.